Welcome to week 6 of our class. I cannot believe that we're already only 2 weeks away from ending our sessions. This week we have the case study, and I wanted to take a few moments to review some of the information with you. If you give me a moment to share my screen. If I can find here we go. So the first thing I wanted to note is that over the last weeks, you've been receiving information through readings, instructional videos, we've had simulations, all sort of information that has prepared you to come to this point. Please feel free to use any of the articles or readings that were assigned to support this paper. Now, first thing we want to note as well is that you can use the headers, and I would like you to use the topic headers in your paper. So, for example, you would have engagement and assessment, and then answer these questions under that section. So it's asking you some questions about Mary, about her stages. It also refers competencies in the rubric, which are at the bottom of the paper. Pay attention to those because they'll serve as guidelines to help you see, have I answered this question appropriately? What might I want to add for more information? So it asks you about assessments, and in this section, engaging with the client. The next section is intervention and evaluation. Now, I wanted to note that I have added within the document under week 6, I've added a picture of the ASAM criteria so that you can better answer these questions if you did not have those available to you. That just talks about the criteria that falls under this. What level of care would you use? So you can use that picture within week 6 to help you answer this portion. Also pay attention here where it refers to what item in the rubric is important to reference. Here is your rubric. So we have here the ethical and professional behavior, engaging with diversity and difference, human rights. The questions are aligned to that. Those areas are interesting and important, but not as important as these last few: engaging with the client, assessment of the client, as well as intervention. So those are the areas that you want to pay most attention to. If you look within where the assignment is, there is a rubric that will show you the point and percentage. The greatest percentage is on intervention, assessment, and engagement with the client. I'm going to stop share here. I'd also like you to know that this is about progress and not about perfection. The purpose of the paper is for you to see what a final assessment might look like as it comes together with substance use and recovery. I understand that you've only been practicing for 5 weeks, so your understanding is not expected to be at the greatest competence level. We want to measure where you are. We want you to be able to have the rubric to notice where you are, but please keep in mind I'm more concerned with the progress than perfection, and how you're able to walk through and answer the questions, as well as utilizing the information that you have to support your answers and to see how you would address this case study. I look forward to receiving your case study. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And I have great news for you. I am extending your deadline to Wednesday of next week to provide you a little more time to go through the assessment. As I understand, life happens, and it's been happening so quickly this semester. So just wanted to give you a few more days of grace. Again, the assignment has been extended, those dates, until Wednesday, to provide you with more time. If you're already moving along and you can be done by Sunday, good for you. If not, like I said, take advantage of that time. So I look forward to reading your papers and seeing your growth. Keep in mind, it's about progress and not perfection. Until next time, thank you.